This is the Iron Trader. It is Sunday night, so as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, just as a reminder, OPEC meeting is on the 4th of August. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, if you look at here on Friday's high, we went right up into the 200-day, but you could not close above. That is going to be the key level right there, sitting at 77.16. Now, again, if you can close above, then what we do is we want to look to the left of the chart. So what you want to do is you want to look at 78.39, and then we want to look at here at 79.07, and then we have 79.18. Then we start looking at the bottom of these candles here. So right there, what we do is we look at that, and that is 79.91. We have 80.47, and then we come up here. You have 81.24. Then we have 82.21, and then your big retest up here is 83.53. However, it has to close above this key 200 SMA here. Now, on the downside, what we want to do is you always want to watch this key 8 SMA here. See how it held it all the way on up. Now, yeah, it came through, but you're closing above that key at 8 SMA. So on any kind of a sell down, first what you want to do is you want to watch this 8 SMA. It's sitting at 75.86. Now, if that is lost, then we want to look to the bottom of this candle here, sitting at 75.02. And then the bottom of this candle here, you're looking at 74.52. And then your big boy 100 SMA here, okay, you're sitting at 73.67. Now, if you look at your 21-day, it's ripping up pretty nice here. You're above the 50-day, and it looks like you're headed right towards the 100-day. So if that 100-day is lost, then you want to look here to the 73.08. That's your 21 SMA. That's going to be very, very key support. And then we just follow these candlesticks all the way on down here. Okay, so you got 72.98 here. You have 72.67. And then we have your 50 SMA here sitting at 71.94. So that's your downside. This is your upside if you can close above that key 200 SMA here. Now, if you can, your target is going to be this 50 SMA here on your weekly chart, now sitting at 78.52, and then we just follow the candles right on up, and then your big retest there is going to be sitting at 83.53 here. So on Monday, what you want to do is just watch this. If it holds this 8 SMA, then that's your buying opportunity, okay? If it's lost, then we just follow these candles and follow their SMAs here all the way on down. On the upside, you want to watch that key 200 SMA. You need to close above. That is a key. Close above. If you can't, then she's going to go lower to sideways. All right, let's take a look here at a little natty gas. Okay, here's your natty gas. You got your daily and your weekly chart here, okay? So when you look at this, what you want to do is on the downside, you want to look at this key 21 SMA. Now sitting at 2.67. If that is lost, then what we want to do is look to your 8 SMA here. Okay, we're sitting at 2.636. And then if it happens to come down, then you just follow these candles here, okay? So the bottom of this candle here is going to be at 2.584. Then we have this candle here at 2.529. And then we come down to your 50 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 2.49. And then your 100 SMA sitting at 2.399. Now, what you want to do is look at Friday's candle. Okay, so you want to look to the top of that candle, which is sitting basically at 2.78. If you can get above that, then we just look to the left of your chart here, okay? So you got 2.79 here, okay? You got 2.82, and then we come up to your big retest there. You're sitting at 2.87. Now, your price channels are still very, very much intact. You're pretty much in the middle to the range here, so basically they're going sideways, but you need to close above this key 2.87. If you do, then we here look on the weekly chart. This is the candle you want to look at, okay? So that is sitting at 3.027. That would be your upside. And then obviously if you can keep on going here, you look at your 200 SMA here sitting at 3.076. So let's take a quick look here on your 4-hour and your 1-hour chart. Okay, here's your 4-hour chart. You can see how it ran right up here nicely. It made a series of nice higher lows. That's always good. But then here you made a series of lower highs. That's not so good. Okay, so now what we look at here is you made a high here of 2.87, then we had a retest there of 2.789. So that is, you kind of like it right here. You got a double top going on here. So what you want to do on the upside is you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.73, and then your retest is sitting at 2.79. On the downside, you want to watch the 21 SMA. You're sitting at 2.67. Then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.65, and then 2.63 for your 50 SMA here. So you got good support here, but you need to break out and close above that key resistance that it did on Friday at 2.78. Now, on your hourly chart here, you can see right here, okay, double top, right in play, and then where to go, it sold right off. However, it did hold this key 50 SMA here. See, that's always very good as we're holding on up. And he also above the 8 SMA here. So the next one in line is going to be the 21. If you can get above that 2.73, then we look for the retest up here at 2.786, and then we go up to the 2.789. Okay, so I'll have more for you tomorrow morning. I'm not sure what time, but we will review crude oil here and natural gas as usual. And thanks for watching.